Good morning, boys and girls. Last week we started talking about character traits and different characters. We listened to the story The Invisible Boy. You picked a character from the story, and one of the things that I asked you was, what were some words to describe your character? Some of you said things like, my character was nice. A few said my character was shy. Some said my character was kind. Okay? These are all great things. And the characters in our books that we read all have character traits. They all can be described, but we also have character traits. Okay? And a character trait is something that describes us, how we are. It describes our personality or how we act. And there's positive character traits, but there's also some negative character traits. And it's okay. I think that we probably all have at least one negative character trait. I know that I have a few, and that's okay. And then there's some character traits that aren't necessarily positive or negative. They're just in the middle, okay? And in our writing, the type of speech that these words usually are is adjectives. Okay? So we usually see these words as adjectives. They're usually describing how a person is doing something. And what I would like to do for a second is make a short list with you about the different types of adjectives that you might think describe you. Okay, so there's positive and there's negative. Sometimes we have opinions and they can be different, and that's okay. So for my first one of the ones that I was thinking about is messy, but you might not think that messy is a negative trait, and that's okay. I also think lazy is a negative trait, but if you don't, that's okay. Can we agree that being mean is a negative trait, though? Or disrespectful? Disrespectful. Okay. So here's some negative traits that maybe we should try not to do or be like. Some positive traits. So you can be kind. You can also be shy. You can also be funny. And the opposite of shy, you can be outgoing. I know some friends who aren't shy. They're very, I want to talk to you. I want to meet you. I want to make new friends. I want to tell you my story. I want to hear your story. You know, they're not nervous about meeting new people. That's what we call an outgoing person. Someone who's just friendly and ready to talk and like get to know you and make a friend with you. Whereas someone who's shy is a little more nervous about talking to new people and meeting new people. Both are totally okay. You could also be smart. So this is just a short list to kind of get you going in the right direction, okay? So I have character traits. You all have character traits, and so do the characters in our books. And we're going to be looking at the characters in our books and talking about their character traits. But today what I want you to do is using the back of a piece of paper or a plain piece of paper. Let me erase this so I can show you an example. This is going to be a quick example, so I hope that yours is going to look a little bit better than mine. In the center of your page, I would like you to draw a picture of yourself. This is where mine's quick, and I hope that yours is better than mine, okay? Please add some detail to your picture, okay? You can be looking in a mirror. Color your eyes the color that your eyes are. You have a nose, you have a smile, we have eyebrows, hair, okay? So I want you to take your time. I want you to draw yourself how you see yourself, okay? Add some details to yourself. And then around the outside of your picture, I want you to write some character traits that describe you, okay? And usually we can think of character traits by saying I am. Can I say I am nice? That's probably a character trait. Could I say I am mean? Yeah, so that's probably a character trait too. Other people probably don't think I'm funny, but I think I'm funny. Let's think of one more. What could I be? And again, some people probably don't think I'm smart, but I think I'm smart. And this is about you and what you think and what you see when you look in the mirror, okay? We'll list some of your character traits. I want you to list at least 5 character traits. You should be able to think of 5 character traits to describe yourself. And I'm so excited and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have a great day, guys.